What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. What do you do if you drink too much? Well, if you're like me and you do it every day, you might feel the negative effects of alcohol the day after. And years ago, there used to be a product called chaser pills, and you would take those, and basically what they would do is kind of absorb whatever the toxins are that alcohol leaves. But they haven't existed for a while. You can actually still find some inventory, which is a little weird, and you know, because I don't think it's been made for like 8 years. But I was doing a little research because, you know, I remember actually going out and drinking and taking a couple of those pills. They really did seem to work. I don't think it was just a psychological effect. I think they actually worked. And I kind of busted one open. They were like charcoal pills, really. And they were just kind of like wrapped with a little bit of like paper. Anyway, so I did some research online. Research, i.e. reading some, you know, opinions by people. But it seems like that pills that basically kind of negate the effects of the hangover are really mostly just kind of one component, and I'm trying to find it here, and it's called Dihydromyricetin, DHM, and that seems to be the big component that a lot of these kind of drinking pills seem to have. Now, this is interesting because this product is called Purple Tree, and I picked this up because this is kind of the main ingredient. Now, I will say that I think all of these types of things fall into the category of like nutritionals or supplements, and so they're not heavily regulated, and they can make all sorts of kind of claims that aren't really substantiated by science. But it doesn't mean they aren't. It's just they kind of fall into this weird area. So Purple Tree seemed to be one of these products, and it also has a bunch of other stuff here, including Willow Bark, and, you know, vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, magnesium, and zinc, all stuff that I probably will help. You know, it actually says for a healthier day after drinking. Now, I just wanted to actually bust this one open here. It looks like we've got some cotton in here as normal. And what we have here is like a Northwestern purple pill. And I wanted to break one of these open for you and show you what's inside, because I would not be surprised if this looks like charcoal. And in fact, there are charcoal pills. And so if you know, ingest something that's poisonous, charcoal is a really good absorption material, apparently. And so that's what you get. Now, the directions here is say take 2 to 3 pills with water before or during alcohol consumption, repeat the next morning. That's a lot of pills, man. But like I said, when I took chasers back in the day, I took a couple and they seemed to work. So I'm just gonna go ahead and break this pill open. As you can see here, it's just about the size of any regular kind of gel capsule, and 2 parts. So I'm gonna pry it open here, and I've got a white Chinette plate here, and so I'm just going to, oh man, I'm a little surprised. I expected it to look like charcoal, just because that's kind of what I thought they were always just selling you. But it totally does not. In fact, it's got almost like a Bisquick look and feel to it. It's kind of like peach colored, and kind of actually smells like Bisquick. So it's actually totally surprising to me. I didn't expect that, but hopefully that is the DHM. Did I get that right? DHM in its raw form there. And so if you take these pills, should help with that hangover. Dietary supplement, 30 capsules in here. This bottle was about $9 or $10. Like I said, it was one of the cheapest ones. And so, you know, now I'm just going to go ahead and like down a whole bottle of whiskey and take a few of these, and hopefully it works. But if you want to pick this up, check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. I got it on Amazon. Peter Von Panda. Out.